Look at these two websites. Same product, same layout, similar colors, but one feels expensive and the other one feels kind of cheap. You knew which one was which in under a second. But if I ask you to explain why right now, you would kind of struggle. You'd say it just looks nicer. A quick hack before we go further, I use this personally. You can run your own site through Figr AI and see if your website clears the bar. And in this video, we will go deep into what exactly that bar is. I'm Moksh and this is Behind Your Screen. To understand why this matters, let's zoom out first. This isn't a design trick. It's a pattern you have already seen somewhere else. Picture a discount store. Signs everywhere, red and yellow, sale 50% off, every square inch fighting for your eye and attention. Now picture an Apple store. Empty space, quiet, almost nothing on the walls. That emptiness isn't lazy design, it is confidence. The product just sits there and sells itself. And here's what you should understand. Cheap design generally means adding things. Expensive design subtract things which are not required. So the most expensive thing on a premium website is everything that is not there. And here is the 5 different layers to check that. Layer 1 is white space. Compare the margins on these two sites. The budget version crams content edge to edge. Every empty pixel treated like wasted real estate. The expensive version treats empty space as a feature. That gap between the headline and the paragraph got measured. Layer 2 is typeface. A site running default browser or design tool font gets clogged instantly. Even if you cannot name the font, people are calling that feeling looking AI now. 9 times out of 10, it's just default type, enter, system UI, whatever shipped free in it. Expensive sites license or commission typefaces and fonts. Nobody visiting can name the font and they can just feel it isn't the free one. A different typeface adds character to your website. Layer 3, motion and easing. You feel this layer, you just don't see it. Non-premium interfaces animate on a straight line, start, move, stop, and same speed throughout. Real objects don't move that way. Expensive interfaces run custom easing curves, elements ease in, overshoot slightly, then settle. Watch it in slow motion, they arrive in order. Good easing goes unnoticed. Bad easing gets noticed, even when you cannot name what is wrong. That's the tip. Layer 4, restraint in color and copy. Cheap design shouts, discount banners, exclamation points, 5 accent colors, competing for one eyeball. Expensive design rations a single accent color. The copy gets quieter too. Fewer words, more confidence in the ones left standing. Layer 5, evocativeness. This is where the other 4 layers come from. AI-assisted or template design plays it safe. Safe spacing, safe type, safe motion, and it is just built to be acceptable, not considered, so it feels hollow. Nothing is technically wrong with it, but nothing is memorable either, because nobody had to say no to anything. But before you walk away thinking minimal equals premium, let's break that down. Here's a normal, respective, expensive Japanese website, dense, busy, text everywhere, thumbnails packed edge to edge. A Western design review would flag this. This is not cheap, but intentional. Minimalism was never the rule. It's just that the Western shorthand for the real rule, every element earns its place. Japanese web design treats density as the decision, an information culture that values completeness over white space. Nothing gets hidden from you. Nothing gets dumbed down. That's its own kind of confidence. So here's the actual answer. Expensive is evidence of being intentional about each of your design decisions. Someone fought over every spacing value, every shade, every millisecond of animation on a truly premium site. Cheap design happens when nobody fought for anything and everything is just default. You're not paying for pixels, you're paying for the noise that happened before the pixels showed up. And you cannot buy expensive. You can only remove it until it shows up. Next time a site feels expensive, don't ask what is there. Ask what is missing. That is where the money went. What is the most expensive feeling website you have ever landed on? Drop it in the comments and tell me why, now that you know what to look for. I'm Moksh and I'll see you in the next one.